Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, Summer. Show everybody how you like to go around and around. Oh, you going to talk to us more? This is her favorite thing to do, just going around and around and around. Go around and around. And look at her feet.
Go around. Go around.
Alright. You gonna look out the window? You gonna look out the door? No, you want to tell us all about it? Where's the kitty? Usually you look at the kitty at the door. Huh. There she goes, there she goes. See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator.
Oh. You don't want Mama to tape you anymore? Are you done? Say done. Can you say done? Say done. Say done. Oh, that's not saying done. Can you? Can you show Mommy done? No. Okay, well say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.